Welcome to Glasgow, a vibrant, exciting city, but also one where more people die of heart disease than anywhere else in the UK. We've come here to do a big experiment to see if changing just one thing about your diet can give you the benefits of a Mediterranean lifestyle without you having to move to the Med.
In countries like France and Spain, they live longer and have lower levels of heart disease. And many put it down to their diet. It's full of vegetables, fish, and less meat than we're used to. But could it be that the key is actually simpler? Just one magic ingredient:
Olive oil. Now, we consume a lot more than we used to, but the amount we knock back is nothing compared to our Mediterranean cousins. The French consume about twice as much as us, the Spanish 14 times as much, and the Greeks a whopping 20 times as much.
The trouble is, heart disease takes years to manifest, and there's never been a way to test whether one particular food can really make a difference. Until now. Because here in Glasgow, they've developed a brand new scientific technique that can do this for the first time. And it centres on another golden liquid.
This is a flask of human urine. My urine, to be precise. It contains waste products from my body. But it's also, in its own way, medical gold. It contains information about processes that are happening deep inside my body.
That information comes in the form of particular chemicals in the urine, proteins, which the team can detect in the lab. And what's really exciting is they can work out a protein fingerprint for different diseases.
Hi there.
Hi, Michael.
The technique is called proteomics, and it's being pioneered by Dr. Bill Mullen.
If we monitor the proteins in the urine, we can monitor what's happening in the cells in the body.
So somebody who, for example, has got heart disease will start to produce different sort of proteins in their urine to somebody who's got a healthy heart.
There'll be a different fingerprint of these proteins in their urine, and we can detect that before a person actually has any symptoms of the disease.
I guess it's very different for measuring things like cholesterol in the blood, because the cholesterol in the blood is basically just a risk factor. It doesn't tell you whether you have heart disease, it just tells you you're at greater risk.
That's correct, yes. But when our proteomics fingerprint shows that you've got heart disease, we're actually measuring the disease itself.